What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's Kalepo T, and we are back. Private Profits is officially back. Been super busy, you guys. Don't hate me. But I didn't want to leave you guys for too long. So we're back, man. I've had a lot of projects this past 6 months, and I think it's for the greater good of mankind. So I just wanted to kind of go over some charts today. Um, these custom indicators. So if you don't use Thinkorswim, definitely get on Thinkorswim. It's in my opinion, one of the best trading platforms you can be using. If you're on mobile, Webull is good too. But when it comes to charting, Thinkorswim is second to none. All right, so this is going to be kind of a short video. I just want to show you guys my indicators. They're all custom indicators. They pull certain data from the markets, and they're always super effective. And I'm gonna just show you how I use them. So what's cool about these indicators, so the strategy, and I use Ichimoku Cloud sometimes too, but ATR, which stands for the average true range. Here you can see the average true range here. So for PayPal, the average true range is $2.16. So you can subtract the SDTR from the ATR, which gives you a little wiggle room, right? Just to kind of tighten that up. So these bars right here represent the ATR. So the ATR, if it's $2.16, I know that PayPal on an average of 20 days moves at least $2.16, either to the upside or the downside. So notice these bars here, the green bar. So that is the ATR low, it's the ATR high. So either direction, right? Notice we have the red bar. As soon as the market opens, we start feeding it data. It's a machine. It's like AI for the charts. It's artificial intelligence. It has a mind of its own, I promise you. It looks crazy. I can only imagine, like, to the beginner looking at the chart, they're like, what is the lines? Even though it's not really lined up and charted crazy, right? I put a couple of other lines just to kind of map out some pre-market levels. But for the most part, like, these indicators are crazy. So notice how we get up to this point right here. So we have a point of resistance automatically. We didn't have to draw any lines to see this. So these are the invisible lines that you can't see if you're just looking at Robinhood, if you're looking at Webull. You can't see these levels, So these are all prices. I have 1 price, 2 price, 3 price. Well, 1 price, 2 price, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I got 6 prices. All right, so this is price action. So this is the VWAP. It shows us what side of the trade to be on. It acts as a magnet. Never gets too far overextended without potentially retracing back to the VWAP, unless it's just a crazy day, right? It's just one of those days. It's going crazy. And we got the multi-day, which is a combination of prior day's price and today's price. So price action tends to revisit these prices, right? Notice how multi-day is down here. If we get a VWAP break, we're coming down to the multi-day potentially, right? And then the ATR, look where the ATR is, right there on the line with the multi-day. Just kind of giving you confirmation that, hey, this is where this stock is subject to go. And notice how we have that level of resistance right here. We have a barrier. So we know there's a chance that we're going to have a reversal here. There's a chance we're going to have a reversal here. To the upside, there's a chance we have a reversal here. There's a chance we have a reversal here. Luckily, we had the reversal here. We broke VWAP. We got to know it's coming down here. We got to know it's coming down here. Where do we reverse back to afterwards? We play a double bottom, going back to VWAP. So we can play it. We can play puts to the downside. You know potentially where the stock is going. It's going here or it's going here. There's no guesswork. This is the ATR telling you how much more meat is on the bone. VWAP 61.97, 61.05. Got a dollar move to capture. Then you can play the reversal. You know, there's no reason to get shaken out because you know price action is holding this level pretty much. You know, it's testing, it's retesting. Do we have buyers at this price? We got buyers. Let's get it. All right. Let's take a look at this buyer. Probably looks the same way. All right, a little different. So we got the ATR. You can tell it's really choppy. We came down to the multi-day. You know, VWAP, double bottom. Same type of price action, same chart really. Apple, same. It's a bit the same exact thing. Well, this is like, all right, and this is the 5-minute chart. You know, this is the 5-minute chart. Notice how this is ugly chop. So we got the resistance up here. We know market opens, you think it's gonna fly high. First thing we gotta do is we gotta break this level. If we could break past this level, which the ATR shows me, get past VWAP. We're above VWAP, we see big candles. I know I got this much space. You know, I don't have to guess when I need to get out. This is a profit target. You know, I should be almost halfway. I should be pretty much done with my trade. By the time we get here and I see this red line, I should be done. I should be out. You know, trade done. Now I know from here, probably gonna reverse back to VWAP. If we break VWAP, we got some lines we need to cross. We can look for here. Alright, so that was a choppy mess too. But wasn't a choppy mess today. Let's see. Just want to kind of go over some charts, see what we got. Let's see the Tesla. Wow, that's crazy. This is a good example. Boom, ATR, huge candle at the open. Look where we at. We hitting that resistance right now. We got an average true range, $7.91. We subtract 2.61, give us about $5, $4.50. Then we're gonna have a $4.50 move, right? 203, 196. About $5 move, 97, 98, 99, 200, 201. We just need to capture $1 to make a good move. And then we can kind of go out of the money based on, see if we get up here, we got the rejection. We know if we bounce off of here, we break VWAP with a huge candle like this, we're coming down here. Look where we come exactly to. Multi-days down here, of course, probably won't get that far. We got to break some levels first, right? Good thing they're already mapped out for us. Boom. So, you know, this gives you a little time to go out of the money. 202.87, could have bought the 197 puts. Way out of the money, but look where we at, 197.74. All we got to do is head to that direction in that short period of time. Got a lot of consolidation right here, holding. So this is pretty much trading sideways, trading in a range to where we're range bound from here to here. So there's a move coming, we know that. It's not breaking below this. So what happens is, what happens is, we know there's a big move coming. Where do we probably think it's going to go back to? Well, I'm going to bet that it's going to go back to VWAP. You know, we get close to here, got another resistance, back to VWAP. End of the day, huge spike. But look where it ends the day. Same levels, same prices. And all you have to do is just trade inside of these ranges. Like, it doesn't get more simpler than that. It's crazy. From here to here, here, back up. It's the easiest trades in the world. VWAP lets you know what side to be. It's the mediator. And we have multi-day. We got it. If we break past this, we know right here. That's the price we're looking for. So now we can really go out of the money. We're gonna be definitely in some money. We're making some money. Let's check out Lumberjay, not really. Yeah, this chop ain't helping nothing to me. It's ugly. Alright, choppy mess. You could have tried something on that. VWAP breaks look good on that one. Man, let's look at Coinbase. Oh my god. It's the kind of move that just make you wanna jump. Look at this chart. This is interesting. Oh yeah. Okay, so just looking at this chart, looking at the levels, we got highs right here. So just notice we mapped out already. The lines are there. So it hasn't been this high for the past week. So if we break $64, it's time to go long. Automatically, it's time to go long. Just on the intraday though, check this out. So we got our lines mapped out. Boom, boom. VWAP break at the open. Break past this point. Give you a couple dollars, or give you a couple cents. But look what our next. What we gotta break next. Before we can get here, we have to break here. If we could break here, I'm in. I'm still in. I know where we're going. We're going up here. So notice at the end of the day, it's exactly where price action stayed. So these lines are way significant. This is where the price action is playing. So when you're able to see these invisible lines, it makes trading, but not just seeing them, but actually knowing how to read them, right? Boom. We break down, we break VWAP, where we going? Multi-day. Retesting multi-day. Can't get past multi-day. This is a new level. Now just imagine if you didn't have multi-day on your chart. You wouldn't be able to see what was happening here. It would just be blank. You know, you probably got like some EMAs or some other stuff. We're watching TMS squeeze down here and RSI squeeze and I don't know, oscillator, alligator, not sure. But I don't have to do crazy trend lines. I don't have to, I'm just looking to see where price is going to retest. And then if I really want to get scientific, I pull out my good buddy volume profile. And this is gonna really just let me know like everything I want to know. Because now I have the volume. I can see the volume. So notice how the volume profile is entirely different from the volume down here. This is really irrelevant. I'm looking at where is the prices that have the most buying and the most selling. This is a thin zone. We have to break past. So notice how we get past. So this area, this is a thin zone. It's resistance. It's least buying and selling here. These prices are where the volume is, right here. So notice how the volume profile thins up right where the ATR is. Not too many buyers up here. There's nothing going on up here. There's no reason to look up here, right? You couldn't break this earlier. There's nothing going on. We couldn't get past this thin zone to the downside. We couldn't get here. There's nothing really going on. So we got to focus on where the buying and selling is going on. Then we got the point of control way down here. And this is just a 5-minute time chart. I think 5 minutes is the best if you're day trading and you're just scalping and you're just looking to make some money real quick. Like 5 minutes is all you need. You catch this double bottom, the fake out, shake out, breakout, both show bro. It's like a Kardashian bottom. W. So we got a retest. Retest. We're holding the multi-day. And we break above the multi-day. And guess what happens? Consolidate above the VWAP. You know a move is coming. know the move is coming. It's holding, and then boom, get right back up here. Next price level, right here. So see how this price is super way significant. This is where all the buying and selling at this price, 62.45. You know VWAP's here. It's the average price. But all the selling and buying is here. So all these lines are super important. Just wanted to go over some charts. Don't want to hold you guys all night. Didn't want to make this a super long video. If you guys got any questions, if you are using Thinkorswim and you need some insight on exactly how I use my charts, how I use these indicators, definitely let me know in the comments. Send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions. It's the easiest way to trade. Trading literally just destroyed me when I first got started. But if it wasn't for, I really had to study these. That's why they call, this is the study tab. Studies and strategies. Like, you have to, and if you have a strategy that works, perfect. But this is pretty much the only thing I need to look at. It makes super sense. So yeah, if you got any questions, you know where to go. www.privateprofitstrading.com. I'm Kalepo T. See you next time.